Welcome back here with us on Times Now. We have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time, and this is an update regarding the NCERT issue, the controversy that we have seen between judiciary and the NCERT over the social science textbook and the chapter on judiciary. First reaction we have got from the Education Minister, and in fact, the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has said that he has ordered NCERT to edit the book. There has been no intention to hurt the judiciary. Listen into this reaction.
न्यायपालिका का अत्यंत आदर पूर्वक सम्मान करते हैं। जो न्यायपालिका ने कहा है वो सर माथे पे, उसको हम लोग पूरा पालन करेंगे। जो भी हुआ मैं अत्यंत उसके लिए दुखी हूँ, मैं उसके लिए खेद प्रकट करता हूँ। जब ही ये घटना मेरे सामने आई, मैं तुरंत ही एनसीईआरटी को निर्देश देके सारे किताबों को विड्रॉ करवाया। आगे वो ना जा पाए उसकी सारी चिंता किया और उसको विड्रॉ करने का निर्देश दिया। न्यायपालिका को कोई भी असम्मान करने का कोई उद्देश्य ही नहीं था, सरकार के उसमें कतई उद्देश्य नहीं था। जो घटना हुई है उसको हम गंभीरता से लेते हैं। एनसीईआरटी के ऊपर उसको और इंक्वायरी किया जाएगा। जो भी व्यक्ति उसमें से उस किताब को बनवाने में, उस चैप्टर को बनवाने में संलग्न है, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाएगी और आगे ये गलती ना हो, हम न्यायपालिका को आश्वस्त करते हैं।
Let's go across to my colleague Kritika joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Kritika, the Education Minister breaking his silence on this entire controversy.
Yes, Hina, on Monday, we had seen how the NCERT chapter got out. The details of the corruption in judiciary is something that had irked many. Yesterday, the Supreme Court of India also took cognizance of the entire matter. And in fact, the CJI has come down heavily against NCERT. Today, the CJI again has reiterated that it appears that there is a deep-rooted conspiracy, in fact, and has demanded for the utmost strict action. Along the same lines, now Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has also broken silence. He said that action will be taken against those involved in the addition of this chapter. In fact, an inquiry will also be conducted against NCERT. He's stating that the ministry is deeply regretting the sort of content that got out against the judiciary, and in fact has promised the Indian judiciary to fix this by making sure that those people who are behind the addition of this chapter are also taken to task. Now remember, this is also something that directly the Chief Justice of India has also called for. He said that heads should roll. This is something that cannot be, in fact, ignored, were the words of the Chief Justice of India today as well when this matter was taken up early in the morning. And now the Union Education Minister has also stated that the ministry will be looking into this. Late last night, NCERT had also come up with a statement apologizing for the contents of the chapter as well. Over to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Kritika. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. Heading into a very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.